YouTube. I hope you're getting ready for the holidays with friends and family. This is Cedric Braden from C Note Music Company, wishing you and yours happy holidays. Today we will be covering This Christmas by Chris Brown. It's an upbeat, wonderful Christmas song that sounds awesome with his vocals on top of it. Can't be denied. Let's get this party started, but before we do, go ahead and hit that like button if you like it and hit that subscribe button if you can count to 7 and you're interested in learning more. All right. Without further ado, let's get started. All right. So this song is in the key of F. All right, and we'll go over the scale of F. F is the 1. G is the 2. A is the 3. A sharp is the 4. C is the 5. D is the 6. E is the 7. And F is the 1. All right, let's play through it. All right, so that's how it goes. It's push you in the mind of holidays and Christmas season. So let's get started. In our left hand, we're gonna start on the 1. Then we're gonna go to the 6, and here we're gonna play the flat 7 and the 4. All right, so let's play again. 1, 6. Flat 7 and 4. All right, so let's add our right hand. In our right hand, we're gonna play on the 1. We're gonna play 5, 7, 3. Then to the 6 in our left, and we're gonna play 2, 5, 7. So we got. And then now in our left hand, we're going to play the flat 7 and the 4. And in our right hand, we're going to play the 5 and the 1. All right, then this riff is 5, 6, 1, 4. All right, got it. Moving on. All right, left hand, flat 7, 6, 5. All right, right hand, when we play in the flat 7 in our left hand, we're gonna play 1, 4, 6. Then left hand 6, right hand 1, 3, 5. So last is 5 in the left hand. Right hand we're gonna play 6, 1, 4. 6, 1, 4. So we got flat 7, 6, 5. Then back to that first chord we learned. Right here. Left hand we're going to go to the 3. Right hand we are going to play 2, 5, 7. Left hand we're going to the 6. Right hand we're going to play 3, 5, 1. So we just went from. In your left hand you could walk the bass up like this. So going from the 7, 7, 1, flat 2. So 3, 6. Two in the left hand. In the right hand, we are going to play 4, 6, 1, 3. Then we're gonna move our left hand to the 5. Same chord in our right hand. Now we're gonna change that chord while we're still on the 5. So that chord, and then you can move to 4, 6, 7, 2. You can do 2. So 3, then 6. Walk that bass. 2, 5. Change your chord. All right, now we're going to the chorus, and we'll be out. So you start on the You start on the 1. So left hand you're playing 1. Right hand you're playing 5, 7, 2, and then you're gonna play 5, 1, 3. So that's on the 1. Then you're gonna play a flat 5 in your left hand. Your right hand you're gonna play 3, 6, 2. So we got. Then you're gonna play in your left hand you're gonna play 4. Right hand you're gonna play 3, 6, 1. And then in your left hand you're gonna play a flat 7. Right hand you're gonna play 4, flat 6, 1. So we have 1, flat 5, 4, flat 7. Then you're gonna go to the 3, and we've already played this. Right hand you're playing 2, 5, 1. And then in your left hand you're gonna go to the 6. And right hand you're gonna be playing 3, 5, 1. And then you're gonna go back to this flat 5, and it's gonna be 3, 6, 2. Now this last part is 4, 6, 4, 6, 2, 3, 5, 1. Then to the 6. Then the same thing again. 4, 6, 4, 6, 2, 3, 5, 1. So let's do that. 4. You're gonna play in your right hand. You're gonna play 3 and 1, and then you're gonna go to the 6. Right hand you're gonna play 1 and 6. Then back to the 4 in your left hand. Right hand you're gonna play 1 and 5. Then to the 6 in your left hand. Right hand you're gonna play 5 and 3. So we got. All right, now here you're playing 2, 3, 5, 1. 2 in your left hand. Right hand you're gonna play 6, 4. 3 in your left hand. Right hand you're gonna play 5 and 3. 5 in your left hand. Right hand you're gonna play 4 and 2. And then 1 in your left hand. Right hand you're gonna play 3, 5, 1. And then drop your bass to the 6. Repeat. 4, 6, 4, 6, 2, 3, 5, 1. And then you start with this riff, which is 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2. So you just go up and come back down. 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 6, 5. whole song. Hope you enjoyed it. Happy holidays. Like, subscribe, request, comment.